If you've already set up your new iPhone and now you're wondering how to move your eSIM over, this video is for you. You don't need to erase your iPhone, you don't need to visit your career, and in most cases, you don't even need a QR code. If you're setting up a brand new iPhone, Apple gives you an option called Transfer from Nearby iPhone. You just keep both phones close, confirm the transfer on your old phone, and the eSIM moves automatically. That's it. But if your iPhone is already set up, this option is long gone. So now let's do it the right way. So if your iPhone is already set up, this method will work for you. On your iPhone, open up Settings, tap Cellular or Mobile Data. Now tap Add eSIM. You will see an option that says Transfer from the Nearby iPhone. Make sure you have your old iPhone nearby to your new one with the Bluetooth and the Wi-Fi turned on. Now pick up your old iPhone. You'll see a prompt asking if you want to transfer your phone number. Confirm it. You may be asked to enter a verification code that appears on your new iPhone. Once you approve it, the eSIM transfer will begin. This usually takes 1 to 3 minutes. Keep both phones unlocked and close to each other. When it's done, your cellular service will activate on the new iPhone and automatically turn off on the old one. I hope this video was helpful. Please make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.